Welcome to the final episode. The channel Demolition Worker presents the ultimate rebirth of an ocean steel fortress structure today. Where twisted metal once lay in absolute ruin, a brand new structure now stands tall above the deep blue ocean. The early morning light gently touches the cold steel beams, bringing warmth and hope to this incredible engineering marvel today. We can see the massive scale of this project as the drone flies smoothly over the quiet morning ocean waves. This beautiful symphony of reconstruction is finally complete. The old decaying platform has been entirely erased from the ocean surface. Countless hours of dangerous demolition work paved the way for this shining beacon of modern industrial progress and innovation now. Look closely at the gleaming pipes and reinforced decks that showcase the pinnacle of contemporary offshore drilling technology right here. The Persian Gulf breathes a sigh of relief as the environmental hazards of the past are safely removed and gone. Every single bolt and weld represents the dedication of brave workers who risk everything to rebuild this vital national asset. Our cameras capture the breathtaking panoramic view of the entire facility, waking up to a bright and promising new day. The yellow cranes stand like silent guardians over the main deck, ready to assist in the upcoming daily operational tasks. Below the surface, strong concrete pillars anchor the fortress securely to the seabed, ensuring maximum stability against harsh sea storms. We are witnessing the ultimate transformation from a hazardous wreckage into a highly efficient energy production powerhouse right before us. The intricate network of silver pipelines resembles the veins of a living organism waiting to pulse with valuable black gold. Advanced safety systems are integrated into every corner of this modern marvel, protecting both the crew and the delicate ocean. As the drone circles higher, the sheer magnitude of the newly constructed helipad becomes clearly visible against the bright sky. This massive landing zone will soon welcome the brave men and women who will operate this incredible offshore drilling facility. The control room windows reflect the golden sunlight, hiding the sophisticated computers and digital monitors that manage the entire rig. A gentle ocean breeze sweeps across the upper decks, carrying away the final traces of construction dust into the wind. This successful project stands as a proud testament to human ingenuity and the relentless spirit of our skilled demolition workers. We move closer to the towering flare stack that reaches high into the beautiful morning sky above the calm waters. Soon, this towering metal chimney will ignite, signaling the official return of active oil extraction operations in this historical region. The dark blue waves crash gently against the thick metal support columns, creating a peaceful rhythm in the quiet morning. Engineers have spent months designing this structure to withstand the harshest weather conditions that nature can ever throw at it. Notice the bright lifeboats securely fastened to the side, ready to deploy instantly in case of any unexpected emergency. Every detail has been carefully planned to ensure maximum efficiency while protecting the fragile marine ecosystem surrounding this giant facility. The fresh paint gleams brightly, a stark contrast to the rust and decay that once plagued the previous damaged installation. It is hard to believe that just months ago, this exact location was a dangerous graveyard of twisted scrap metal. Our dedicated demolition crew worked tirelessly through extreme heat and rough seas to clear the path for this magnificent rebirth. Now they can look upon their incredible achievement with immense pride, knowing they made this brilliant new beginning entirely possible. The sun continues to rise, casting long, dramatic shadows across the vast multi-level decks of the offshore drilling platform. Massive generator units hum in the background, providing essential electrical power to all the complex systems operating on board. Workers in bright yellow protective suits conduct their final safety inspections along the exterior walkways of the massive steel structure. They check every single valve and connection, leaving absolutely no room for error before the official launch of daily operations. The sheer complexity of the piping system is a true masterpiece of modern industrial engineering and precise mechanical architectural design. We zoom in on the heavy-duty drill floor, where the primary extraction equipment stands ready for immediate, continuous action. The powerful rotary tables sit silently, waiting for the command to begin spinning and biting deep into the ocean floor. Above it, the massive derrick towers like a giant steel pyramid, dominating the skyline and symbolizing raw industrial strength today. This rig represents a massive financial investment in the future of global energy production and national economic stability and growth. But more importantly, it is a powerful symbol of resilience and recovery after a period of severe destruction and loss. Suddenly, a loud mechanical hiss echoes across the platform as the pressure valves open for the very first time today. The moment we have all been waiting for has finally arrived on this beautiful morning in the Persian Gulf waters. High above the main deck, the pilot light on the tall flare tower sparks brightly against the clear blue sky. A magnificent plume of bright orange fire erupts from the tip, burning fiercely and steadily in the strong ocean wind. This roaring flame is the ultimate confirmation that the complex systems are fully operational and ready for continuous daily service. Thick black smoke momentarily billows outward before the advanced filtration systems kick in, ensuring a clean and controlled natural burn. The heat radiating from the flare is intense, warming the cool morning air and signaling the return of flowing oil. Deep beneath the heavy steel platform, the dark liquid gold begins its long journey up from the deep ocean crust. The massive pipes vibrate gently as the immense pressure builds, pushing the valuable crude oil toward the surface collection tanks. Digital monitors inside the quiet control room light up with green indicators, confirming optimal flow rates and perfect system pressure. The experienced engineers smile and shake hands, celebrating the successful culmination of years of hard work and brilliant strategic planning. This fiery beacon can be seen for miles across the water, a proud symbol of renewed strength and industrial power. The ocean reflects the dancing flames, creating a mesmerizing display of light and shadow on the gentle morning sea waves. It is a poetic contrast between the raw, primal force of fire and the cold precision of modern engineering technology. The steady roar of the burning gas becomes the new heartbeat of this incredible giant steel structure in the sea. We watch as the automated cooling systems spray fine water mists around the base of the tower to manage temperatures. Everything functions in perfect harmony, a flawless mechanical ballet choreographed by some of the brightest minds in the energy sector. The successful ignition marks the end of the long testing phase and the beginning of full-scale commercial oil production. This facility will soon pump thousands of barrels daily, contributing significantly to the global energy market and the local economy. The drone pulls back, revealing the entire rig bathed in the warm glow of both the sunrise and the flare. In the distance, a rhythmic chopping sound cuts through the wind, growing steadily louder with each passing second right now. A sleek, modern transport helicopter appears on the horizon, flying swiftly toward the newly activated offshore platform in the Gulf. This aircraft carries a very special cargo today, bringing the permanent operational crew to their brand new ocean workplace home. The pilot expertly navigates the strong coastal winds, aligning the chopper perfectly with the large green helipad on the deck. Down below, the landing crew waves brightly colored flags, guiding the heavy machine safely down onto the painted landing circuit. The wheels touch the steel surface with a gentle thud, and the massive rotor blades begin to slow their spin. The cabin door slides open, revealing a team of fresh workers dressed in clean uniforms and sturdy protective safety gear. They step out onto the platform, their eyes wide with absolute amazement at the pristine condition of the new rig. These men and women are the highly trained specialists who will live and work here for the next Waiting to greet them is the weary but proud leader of the brave demolition team that made this day possible. A firm handshake between the two leaders symbolizes the official transfer of responsibility from construction to active daily oil production. It is a deeply emotional moment, representing the successful conclusion of an incredibly dangerous and demanding long-term rebuilding project. The new crew quickly unloads their heavy equipment and personal belongings, eager to settle into their comfortable modern living quarters. Meanwhile, the demolition workers begin gathering their worn tools, their difficult mission here finally coming to an absolute, complete end. They share quiet jokes and pat each other on the back, relieved to be heading home after months of struggle. Their faces show extreme exhaustion, but also a profound sense of accomplishment for a difficult job executed with absolute perfection. These brave individuals are the true unsung heroes of the sea, risking their lives to tame the dangerous ocean wilderness. Slowly, they walk toward the waiting transport vessel, docked securely at the lower boarding platform near the crashing blue waves. They take one last look at the towering steel fortress they helped bring to life from the ashes of ruin. The helicopter engines roar back to life, preparing to depart and leave the new operational team to their vital duties. As the chopper lifts off into the sky, the demolition crew vessel also detaches from the massive steel platform pillars. The small boat cuts through the choppy water, carrying the tired workers away from the giant rig they just rebuilt. We watch from above as the distance between the boat and the fortress grows, symbolizing the end of their journey. The sun begins its slow descent toward the horizon, painting the vast sky in brilliant shades of purple and gold. This breathtaking sunset serves as a beautiful natural backdrop for the magnificent newly constructed offshore facility standing tall and proud. As darkness gently falls over the Persian Gulf, the rig automatically activates its powerful exterior lighting system for the night. Hundreds of bright LED lights illuminate the structure, transforming it into a glowing mechanical island floating in the dark sea. From a distance, these sparkling lights look exactly like a cluster of beautiful stars resting peacefully on the ocean surface. The roaring flare tower continues to burn brightly, a constant reminder of the powerful energy flowing deep beneath the waves. The waters of the Gulf are finally calm and peaceful again, fully healed from the industrial wounds of the past. We owe a massive debt of gratitude to the fearless demolition workers who made this incredible environmental recovery entirely possible. They are the tough, silent guardians of our oceans, always ready to dismantle danger and pave the way for progress. This radiant new era of reconstruction stands as a lasting tribute to their unmatched skill, bravery, and unwavering daily dedication. As we leave this glowing fortress behind, we carry the inspiring story of its miraculous rebirth and glorious return today. The offshore oil industry will forever remember the incredible sacrifices made to restore balance and harmony to these vital waters. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey through destruction and creation in this spectacular documentary series finale episode. Until next time, stay safe and keep building. This is Demolition Worker, officially signing off from the beautiful Persian Gulf.